Hello everybody, welcome to my platform. In this video, I'll show you how this question was supposed to be answered. So this is 2023 GCE question 2A and it's under geometric progression. So the question reads, in a geometric progression, the second term is 21. So we know that the second, so this is how we write second term, we know that it's what? It's a 21. So it's a 21 and the fourth term is 189. So fourth, that is the term at position 4. Fourth is what? 189. So now, they ask us to calculate, okay, let's do this, calculate the first term under common ratio. So in order for us to find the first term under the common ratio, we need to use this formula, okay? It's a matter of just knowing this formula. So when dealing with geometric progression, this is the formula we use when finding the term. So we shall use this formula twice. Remember, they said the second term was 21. So we're going to write 21, which is equal to A. A is the first term and it's what we are looking for. We have R here, which is a common ratio, what we are looking for. Now, where there is N, we'll put second. Second, we know that it's 2 minus 1. So we work out things or simplify. We have 21 is equal to AR power 1. We know that 2 minus 1, it's a 1. So it will be power 1. This is our first equation. The second equation, we are going to say 181 is equal to AR power 4th. We know that this is a fourth term. So 4 minus 1. So thereafter, we shall maintain what we have, or we simplify here. This is what we're going to get, because 4 minus 1, it's a 3. So once we get these two equations, we solve them simultaneously. So solving these simultaneously, I'm going to solve by substitution. So this side, I'll divide by R by R, such that the R and the R will go. So I shall remain with A is equal to 21 over R. Okay? This A is equal to 21 over R. So now I can substitute. I go to the other equation. Where there is A here, I substitute 21 over R. And then I say power 3. So you see? So now here, I'll simplify this. I'll say 189 is equal to R into R, it's 1. R into R power 3, it's R power 2. So I have 21 R power 2. So I shall divide by 21 by 21. Remember, we are solving for what? For R. So this 21 and the 21 will go. I shall remain with R squared is equal to, this R squared is equal to 21 into 21, it's 1. Into 189, it's a 9. So I have a 9 right over here. So I find the square root both sides. Remember, we are solving for R, not R squared. So to get rid of this power 2, I will square root both sides, of which the square root of 9 will just give me a 3. So this being an equation, it will give me two solutions. R is equal to 3 or R is equal to negative 3. But in this case, when we look at our sequence, they said the second term is 21, while the fourth is 189. So we're dealing with the positives. So we get our R to be equal to positive 3. So that's our common ratio. For our first term, we come back at this point. We just say equal to 21. What is our R? We just found it to be equal to 3, our R. And then we solve 3 into 3, 1 into 21, it's a 7. So the two things that we are looking for are A is a 7 and R is what? Is a 3. So these are the two solutions for the first question. where they said calculate the first term under common ratio. So we now go to the next question. So for the next question right over here, we of course need to calculate the sixth term. So how do we get to find the sixth term? Remember, we've managed to find our R to be equal to 3. Our A is a 7. So to find the sixth term, we're going to use the term formula. This is a term formula right over here, okay? And we know that we are looking for the sixth term. So our N will be a 6, sixth term. Our A is a 7. Our R is a 3. Our N is a 6 minus 1. So we just solve that one. It will be 7 times 3 power 5. Because 6 minus 1 is a 5. So when we simplify 3 power 5, so we maintain a 7 and then we write 2, 4, 3. We multiply it by 7. This is giving us a 1701. So the sum, the sixth term is 1701. So that's how it's supposed to be. Now let's go to the last question, where we need to calculate the sum of the first 5 terms of the progression. So for the sum, we are going to use this formula right over here. This is the formula we shall use. Okay? So what is our A? The first term, it was 7. What about our R? So we say sum over 5. So N is 5. What about our R? We found it to be equal to 5. Our N, 3. Our N is a 5 minus 1. Okay? Over 3 minus 1. Our R, we know that it's a 3. So we work out things. When we simplify inside the brackets there, 3 power 5, it's giving us a 2, 4, 3, and then here we say minus 1. And down here we're getting a 2. We simplify further, this is a 2, this is a 2, 4, 2, over a 2. So when we work out here, we multiply 7 by 242. This is giving us a 1694. We divide by 2. So when we divide by 2, our answer will be equal to 847. So this is our answer, 847. Thank you so much, people, for watching. Please remember to follow me on my Facebook page, Jacob Sichamba Online Math. On my TikTok, the same name, Jacob Sichamba Online Math. You subscribe to my YouTube channel, the same name, Jacob Sichamba Online Math. And kindly remember that we offer online tuitions to all the grades, GCE and other grades in mathematics, science, biology, civic education, RE, commerce, and English. So all what you need to do is to call or WhatsApp this number. Will be able to guide you on what you're supposed to do to be part of our online classes. This has been Sichamba Jacob, and bye-bye.